On behalf of the mighty Matador NJRTC, good day. Will you please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance, Texas Pledge, and a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Yo prometo lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos de América y a la república que representa una nación bajo Dios entera con libertad y justicia para todos.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Honra la bandera de Texas. Prometo lealtad a ti, Texas, un estado bajo Dios único e indivisible.
Carry colors. Ready, cut. Left turn.
Matadors, welcome to another Marvelous Monday. Today is October 27, 2025. I'm Jaiden Montanez.
And I'm Jack. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of MatCast, your go-to spot for all things Matador Nation.
Coming up, the Cosmetology Winter Ball is right around the corner. We'll let you know when you can get your glam on.
Plus, get ready to bring the energy. Another pep rally is on the way, and we've got all the details you don't want to miss.
Stick around, Matadors, because MatCast starts right now. We start this Monday with a look back at last week's Matador Minute.
With more is our principal, Mr. Munoz.
Oh, hey, Mats. It's this week's Matador Minute. Want to talk about one thing we really need to get better at? Trash. As we've been seeing more trash around the campus, let's do a better job making sure trash ends up where it's supposed to, at lunch, out in the courtyard, anywhere we're on campus. You guys see some trash or you see a spill, if you can't pick it up for whatever reason, let one of the adults know so we can get it all cleaned up. We want to keep this place nice and clean for all of you guys. Guys, this week's shout-outs, student shout-outs, we got one for the band. Did a great job at the competition this past weekend for UIL, and now they're all set up to take it to the next level, performing next Saturday in Austin in the Round Rock area at the next level of the UIL band contest. Good luck to band, keep rocking it. And the other shout-out is to our volleyball team who had secured their district championship and are now ready to advance into the playoffs as we head into the next week. Lots of great things are happening. Make sure we're out there supporting all our students, supporting each other. Our staff shout out of the week is going to Miss Duval, the counselors, and everybody that helped out with the college night on Tuesday. We had a tremendous showing of kids, of colleges, of parents and community members being here to support you guys for all those seniors getting ready to take it to the next level. Let's continue to do great things. Let's pick up our trash and let's have a great week. Go Mats.
We've got some exciting news for all of our Seguin Matador fans out there. Backed by popular demand, the Seguin vs. Everybody apparel is officially on sale. You can now grab your favorite gear in short sleeve, long sleeve, or hoodie options. To get yours, go to bit.ly/Seguin vs. Everybody shirts. Don't miss your chance to show your Matador pride and represent Seguin wherever you go.
It's almost time for the Winter Ball, the last dance, the last party, and the last get-together of 2025. This is your final chance to celebrate with your friends, classmates, and the entire Matador family before we close out the year. Let's make it a night to remember as we say goodbye to 2025 and welcome in 2026 in true Matador style. Here's how to get your tickets. Tickets will be on sale during all lunches starting in November. You can buy them from any cosmetology student. Stop by room D101 or D103 or simply scan the QR code on the flyers posted around the campus. Don't wait, this is the last year, big celebration of the year, and you won't want to miss it.
Matador Nation, it's time to turn up the spirit because the Blackout Pep Rally is almost here. Join us Thursday, October 30th from 3:30 to 4:05 in the Seguin High School SAC as we come together to celebrate our mighty Matadors. We want to see the stands packed and glowing, so dress in black or neon and show off that Matador pride. Whether you're rocking all black or shining bright in neon, and make sure to bring your glow sticks. Make sure you stand out and bring your energy. Let's cheer loud and show everyone what Matador spirit is all about. Don't miss this blackout pep rally this Thursday, October 30th from 3:30 to 4:05 in the SAC.
Hola, Matadors. Are you ready to put your Spanish skills to the test? Then get excited because the SHS Spanish Spelling Bee is coming soon. This is your chance to shine, show off your Spanish vocabulary, and compete with other students for the title of SHS Spanish Spelling Bee Champion. If you'd like to participate, make sure to stop by room A200 to speak with Miss Montanez. There you could sign up and pick up your Spanish Spelling Bee word list so you could start practicing early. The big event will take place on Wednesday, November 19th, 2025 from 9:30 to 10 a.m. in the SHS library. Don't miss out on this fun and educational experience. Come out and test your Spanish, cheer on your classmates, and celebrate the beauty of the language. Let's spell, learn, and have fun.
Senior Walk is coming up quick, and if you want to be a part of it, now's the time to create your slide. Seniors, go to Senior Cohort in Google Classroom, and under the Work tab, there's a link for the Senior Baby video. Use a template to create your own slide and submit it in the cohort. All videos are due by Wednesday, November 5th. The Senior Walk will happen Friday, November 7th. If you have any questions, go by room D110 and speak with Ms. Spahn.
Attention freshman class of 2029. There will be a class meeting next week. The meeting will take place November 3rd in the library from 4:05 to 5 p.m. Come meet your new class officers and be involved in coming up with fundraisers for your class. Snacks will be provided, so reminder to show up and come support your class.
Are you looking to show your Matador pride for this upcoming spring tennis season? Then I have just the thing for you. Tennis is having a quick sale for shirts that ends today. The link to purchase is on your screen now. They range from 16 to 19 depending on size. Make sure to get your order in ASAP so you don't miss the amazing opportunity. Make sure you show up and support the tennis team for this spring season.
Are you interested in performing, dancing, and competing this season? The Matador Color Guard is holding open casting for the 2026 Winter Guard season. No experience is required. They'll teach you everything you need to know. Auditions will be held from November 18th to 5:30 to 8 p.m. in the Seguin High School Wellness Center gym. Requirements include a great attitude, a willingness to learn, and passing grades every 9 weeks. If you have any questions, email Miss Brown at hbrown@seguin.k12.tx.us. So don't miss your chance to be a part of this amazing team. The Matador Color Guard wants you this season.
Our men's Matador basketball team will be hosting tryouts on Saturday, November 1st at 9 a.m. in the Wellness Center gym. Students, if you are looking to try out, you must be passing all classes. A physical must be turned in, and rank 1 paperwork must be completed. If you need to contact the coaches, their info is on your screen now. Make sure you mark it down so you don't forget. We can't wait to see you all try out.
Hey Matadors, are you looking to freshen up your look this fall? The Seguin High School Cosmetology Salon is open and ready for clients. They're re-offering a fall promotion for faculty only. If you work here at Seguin High School, this is your chance to take advantage of some amazing salon services at a great price. The salon is open Wednesdays and Thursdays from 4:15 to 7 p.m. They offer everything from haircuts, highlights, manicures, pedicures, facials, and waxing, all done by our talented cosmetology students. If you'd like to make an appointment, please email Miss Linda Guerra or Mr. Israel De Leon. Support our Seguin cosmetology students and treat yourself this season. Don't miss out on the limited time fall promotion for faculty.
Let's congratulate our Lady Matador volleyball team for finishing the season undefeated in District 27-5A. Shirts are being sold for $15 each. Deadline ends today, so make sure you purchase this volleyball swag. For more information, bit.ly/VBStateShirts25. Don't delay, purchase the shirts today. For any questions, email tanderson@seguin.k12.tx.us.
All seniors, listen up. The time is here to order your cap and gown. There are multiple packages you can purchase. Some of the most common packages are listed on the screen. More available online at bit.ly/seniorcapandgown26. You can order until October 27th. Those are all the announcements for today.
Reporting to you from the Matt Cave and Delta House, I'm Jack Highwood.
And I'm Jaiden Montanez. Let's keep this year strong. Let's stay focused, stay positive, and keep pushing forward because the future is now.